All right, guys, you know the name. You've all seen the stickers in the back of the vehicle. You've all seen the babies floating in the windows. You've all seen the wind and all the chaos that Sundown Audio brings to the game. And Jacob Fuller doing his maximum design awesomeness. Let's check out some of the things around the ZV7 subwoofer.
Hey everybody, it's Nate with Sonic Electronics. I'm here with Jacob from Sundown. This is the man, the myth, the legend. He makes big, awesome woofers. You guys all know him if you follow the industry for any time period.
Yeah, and thanks to Sonic Electronics for doing this.
The brand new ZV series.
Yes, sir. This is the new Sundown ZV7. Pretty excited about it. So, of course, everybody knows the Z series. And up until this point, all the Z series have been 3-inch diameter coils. This is a new 3.3-inch diameter coil.
Stepping it up.
Gives you 15% additional surface area and the ability to get more motor force as well. And on the note of motor force, this is about a 50% higher motor force than a ZV6, which should net you about a dB.5. Going into the coil a little bit further, it's a 3.3 inch, but it's 95 millimeters long, which is almost 4 inches long.
That's like a drink cup, man.
Gives us a linear stroke of 42 millimeters one way, by 70% BL clippable standard.
42
And beyond that, we also have
one-way.
double inductive treatment in here, which gives you a nice even inductance curve as well. And of course, the Mega Platform suspension has always been ruler flat. Going from there, there's also a provisionally patented airflow system in here that creates a directional airflow to keep that voice cool under almost any abuse condition. And those are the highlights.
That's awesome. You know, I think that everybody recognizes Jacob's efforts here and all that he does.
Big shout out
this is just
to
another testament to his dedication
Sonic
to our
Electronics
craft.
for this video clip.
If you don't have one of these, you need to get one. You need to get one from Sonic Electronics for sure. Thank you, Jacob.
Yes,
we
sir.
appreciate it as always.
Yeah.
And Jacob Fuller is a mastermind when it comes to designing subwoofers. He's a freaking genius, man. But now I want to show you guys one of these subwoofers in action. And we're going to head over to another YouTuber's channel called Single Sub Scrub. He's going to install one of these in a 6th order and do some pretty stupid, crazy stuff. You guys don't want to miss this. Let's get on it.
All right, let's get this thing out of here.
I like his editing style, by the way. Little bit of trickery there in the beginning, you know.
It's a little bit sketchy, but here we go.
We've all been there, right? Now he's pulling out a double. It looks like a double 18 sub setup.
Oh, come on. Oh, yes, okay. We got it.
Yeah, that's definitely a double 18 sub setup. And I think that's a single 18, but it could be a 15. I'm really not sure.
Good.
I've watched this all the way through a couple of times now, and I still ain't sure about that. Guys, check out the craftsmanship of these guys. Their work is amazing. Really, really good, solid work. That looks good, man. And not even done yet. They just got the back port and they ain't got the front port installed yet. I liked what they did to B-pillar walls, though. With the plywood on the side, trimming it up like that. Gotta get that equipment put in. Oh, woofer and amp, man. Solid beast, though. Gotta love that spark. Guys, check this out. This is what's crazy. solid wind, man. What do y'all think? 15? I think it's a 15. Honestly, I do. I think it's a 15.
Loading wall time.
I'm really impressed with their work, man. Like I said, they do nice, clean work. Look at that.
Alright, we got some roundovers made up, loading wall tested.
Those look good.
Looking pretty
So now
good.
he's got his front port and his back port. This is where stuff starts to get really out there. We're going to take some measurements here in a minute. Floating stuff in the window is not easy with lots of subwoofers. Now check this out. Pay attention to this. A 151 under 1,000, or a 150.1 under 1,000 watts on a single 15. $156.
Alright guys, well there you have it.
On the
This
glass.
single sub build is already pretty much doing the same numbers as the last single sub did on significantly less power, like literally less than half of what it was taking to do these numbers with the last one. And like I said, low power, we're wired at 1 ohm, we're rising to the moon. Once I get this new recone in and wire this thing down to half, we're gonna see, I think, some pretty serious numbers out of this. But regardless of all that, I know this is a bit of a short video. All of this was filmed within a 24-hour period, and I want to give a really special thanks to Steven and Culture Puckett for the help. You guys, I couldn't have made this happen without you guys. Thank you so much for helping me out with the build. Anyway, I'm yapping too much. I'll hit you guys with some more updates soon. I hope to see you guys at Odin Fireman's Picnic this weekend, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.
Now, as you can see, this subwoofer is pretty impressive. Just a little bit. And hats off to Single Sub Scrub and building an amazingly beautiful build. What really, really awesome woodworking skills him and his friend exhibit in this video, and the ability to get a good solid design with the sixth order. I mean, wow, just impressive. So if you guys haven't already done it, you might want to head over to Single Sub Scrub, give him a little check out, hit that subscribe button over there. And of course, slam this one too, because you never know what kind of crazy stuff you're going to see on this channel. Peace, guys.